how to find recently viewed items on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find recently viewed businesses or restaurants in Yelp app. So if you forget the name of that awesome spot you just checked out, don't worry, we have got you covered. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Yelp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to your menu section. Now from here, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as recently viewed. So simply tap on it and here you can see the list of the details or the items that you have reviewed before. So you can just scroll through and tap on the listing to review the details. And here you can also tap on your profile icon and after that you can just go to activity and reviews and just check-ins or collections. If you have interacted with the place, it may show up there. And that's it. That's how you can find recently viewed items on Yelp app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.